and egg bites, they're a fantastic lunchbox filler. They're also great for a quick brekkie or a nice brunch. So we're going to start with our ham. I'm using some Virginia ham. You can use any type of ham you like, as long as it's thin. Now you want it to be thin because it needs to be able to be pliable to fill our little cupcake tins. So essentially we're going to make little baskets out of the ham, fill it with egg and cheese. They're going to be absolutely delicious. So I'll take one slice of the Virginia ham, and then these are quite small muffin trays. Because these are small, I'll only crack one egg into it. If you're using a larger one, I'd recommend cracking 2 eggs into it so it fills the basket. So I'll add another piece of ham, and you just want to fiddle with it until you've made a bit of a basket so we can add our egg and our cheese. So once I've done that, I like to add some cheese, and I'm using mozzarella so it's extra gooey. Sprinkle that inside and then just flatten it out so it's quite tight. I'll grab an egg. We'll crack that on top. Just do it very carefully. Now for extra seasoning, I've got some garlic powder here, just a little pinch of that. Some Italian dried herbs, a little sprinkle, and of course the obligatory pepper and a pinch of salt to season the egg. So that's the first one done. How cute does that look? I'm going to make a few more of these, and then they go into the oven, 180 degrees, and these will cook for about 15 minutes or until the egg is just set. Okay, these eggs have come out of the oven. I have let them cool down slightly, and let's have a look at them. Oh, they come out so easily. And you can see they've held their shape perfectly. I'm going to place them on a little plate over here. You really do want those eggs to just set. If they're not set, then they won't hold their shape. And these are great served warm, which is what I'm doing today. But if you wanted to pop them in the lunchbox, cook them the night before or on that morning, they'll still be delicious if they're cold. Last little one over here. And I happen to have some leftover parsley. So to make this look extra special, a few sprigs on the side. So whether you're filling your lunchbox with these or for a picnic or a quick breakfast on the run, these ham and egg bites are super delicious.